In this video, we're going to look at creating an ePortfolio from a template that your instructor has set up for you. So first, I'm already logged in Georgia View. I'm going to log into my course. I'm going to go up to the blue navigation bar and select Assessments and Digication. This puts me into the course area for Digication for this course. So first step is I'm going to select this pretty green button with a plus sign on it. Okay, now we see here there is one template shared with this course. So I'm going to select it. This is the one my instructor has provided. So I'm selecting that, and then I'm selecting Use this template. And I do not have any other existing ePortfolios. So I'm going to create a new ePortfolio based on this template. Now it's asking me for my ePortfolio name. So you give it a name that helps you remember that it's yours. So you'll type in your name and something about the course that you're doing this in. Because you can have multiple ePortfolios, you want something that's easy to remember and that you know which course your ePortfolio belongs to. And as you noticed, it created a URL that went along with the title. Okay, down here the template is still selected. If I do not want to use the thumbnail that my instructor has already provided, I can choose a new thumbnail by selecting Choose a Thumbnail. Since this is a brand new account, I do not have any previous uploads, but I can upload a file or take a picture or upload and record from other sources. I'm going to start with upload a file. It gives me a space to upload, so I'm going to select blue plus here, select an image, open, get this pretty fall themed picture here, and hit upload. Takes it a minute because this was a large file. There we go. So there's my new thumbnail, and this will help me stand out from my classmates by having a unique thumbnail. And then I'm going to press create. It's going to sit here and process. Now if your instructor has a lot of courses, it may take a little while, but when it's done, this window will close out on its own. So here is my new ePortfolio for my course. In our next video, we'll go over how to change the header information up here in the top and how to add content.